What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove your front fenders as well as your front windshield cowl on a Mazda B2000 or B2200. It's real easy, so let's jump right to it. The first thing you need to do to remove the fenders is going to be to remove your windshield wipers. That's real easy to do. All you have to do is remove a cover on the back of the windshield wipers, like this one right here. Then grab a 12mm socket and remove both nuts on both of them. You should be able to just twist them off and put them right to the side. After you take those off, then open your hood and you're going to remove the 10 clips that are going to be right on the front. Now this one does not have a weather strip. You might have one, so just be careful and try not to rip it apart. But there's going to be 10 clips all in the front of it. Take those off and then you're ready to remove your front windshield cowl. To remove this, you basically from the front pull it towards you a little bit to release these hooks along the windshield. Then twist it up so then you can push it this way. You can also do it from the side here. Now that we have that out of the way, you do have to remove your front grille, and you might have also to remove your front bumper. I do have another video on how to remove the front bumper, so check that one out if you're not sure. And for the front grille, it's real easy as well. Just a couple clips on the front and you should be able to take it out. The reason why you need to remove the front grille is because there is 2 bolts right behind it to remove the front fenders, so you need to get access to those 2. The other bolts that you will need to remove that are easy access on the front fender are going to be the 4 on the top. They're all going to be 10mm, and then you also have 2 at the bottom, one on this area and then one underneath it. All of those are your easy access bolts. The reason why we remove the front windshield cowl is because there's going to be another 10mm right here that you need to remove. And the reason why you might have to remove your front bumper is because there is 1 bolt here to get the fender. Now this one I say you might, because if you don't have a fender liner, or if you want to try to remove the fender liner first, you might have access to that bolt without removing the front bumper. So that's it for today. Once you take all those bolts out, you should be able to just take this. Oh, I forgot. Once you do that, you will have 2 other bolts that need to be removed. Now you need to remove the front so you can pull this one back, and then if you see, I can show you guys. If you see this bolt, that's going to be another 10mm. Get in here, loosen it a little bit, and you should be able to just pop this out of the side. The top one, however, this bolt, let me put this fender down. That bolt, you can get access to it by just opening your front door. And there's a bolt right there. You might just need an extension on your 10mm socket, but you should be pretty easy to remove. Once you loosen those 2 bolts, the whole fender just pops out, and now your fenders are off. So hopefully this video is helpful for you guys. Leave us a like or subscribe if you want to see more content on Mazda B2000, B2200, or Nissan Hardbody, because we got a couple more videos on that one coming up. So we'll see you guys in the next one.